Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install a completely free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. I already did that on my Android because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select send on an Android one and receive on BLACKVIEW. Now you can click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose send and click on got it. Over here you need to choose no thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon over here on BLACKVIEW, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can always just input this key here and connect those smartphones by choosing receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!